Hey everyone! Welcome back to Temutech, the channel where we discover the coolest gadgets to simplify life and make your daily routines way more exciting. Whether you're a returning fan or a brand new viewer, I'm so glad you're here. Let's explore some mind-blowing gadgets today. Fast hot air popcorn. Popper. First up, let's talk snacks. Microwave popcorn is fine, but have you ever tasted freshly popped air-popped popcorn? This gadget uses hot air to pop kernels in minutes. No oil needed. Not only is it healthier, but it's also incredibly fast. Perfect for movie nights or when you just need a quick, crunchy snack. Plus, the cleanup? A breeze. Just wipe it down and you're done. Smart knife sharpener. Raise your hand if you've ever tried cutting a tomato with a dull knife. It's a nightmare, right? Enter the smart knife sharpener. This little powerhouse adjusts to the angle of your blade, sharpening it perfectly every time. Whether you're slicing, dicing, or carving, you'll feel like a professional chef with knives that glide effortlessly. Outdoor pizza oven. Now, let's take things outside. If you love pizza, and who doesn't, you need this outdoor pizza oven. It heats up in minutes and cooks a pizza in under 2. The result? Perfectly crispy crust and bubbling cheese, just like at your favorite pizzeria. Trust me, your backyard gatherings will never be the same. Black kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. You might think a faucet is just a faucet, but this one's a game changer. The sleek black design looks amazing in any kitchen, and the pull-down sprayer makes cleaning dishes or filling pots so much easier. It even has multiple spray settings for maximum versatility. Functional and stylish? Instant Pot Duo. Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure. Cooker. If you don't have an Instant Pot yet, what are you doing? This 9-in-1 gadget is like having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one. Imagine making fall-off-the-bone ribs in under an hour, or perfectly fluffy rice every time. It's fast, convenient, and a total lifesaver for busy days. 4-in-1 blender and food processor. Combo. Why clutter your counter with multiple appliances when you can have one that does it all? This 4-in-1 combo blends, chops, purees, and even makes dough. Smoothies, salsa, pancake batter, you name it, this gadget handles it effortlessly. Plus, the compact design means it won't take up too much space. Electric indoor raclette table grill. Who says grilling is only for the outdoors? This raclette table grill brings the fun inside. Cook meat, veggies, or cheese right at the table while you entertain guests. It's not just a gadget, it's an experience. Perfect for dinner parties or even a fun family night. Alpha Grillers. Instant read. Meat thermometer. Overcooked steak? Undercooked chicken? Never again. This instant read thermometer gives you an accurate temperature in seconds. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or baking, you'll get perfect results every time. It's small, easy to use, and an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to cook. And there you have it. 10 incredible kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier, tastier, and so much more fun. From saving time to impressing your guests, these tools are all about taking the hassle out of cooking and turning it into something you actually enjoy. If you found something you love, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome kitchen gadgets.